Hello, I am Florencio Paucar. I will present my project on direct preference optimization from paraphrase detection to Shakespearean sonnet generation. I will cover different aspects, no, like problem identification, background, methods, the experiment which I followed, the analysis, and finally the conclusions. Let's start with a problem. Aligning language model to human preference is complex. While reinforcement learning from human feedbacks archives strong results, it is complex, manage multiple models, and it is costly online sampling. In alternative, there is a direct preference optimization which addresses this problem, no reformulating to a classification problem, eliminating the need for explicit reward models. In this project, we managed two NLP tasks, paraphrase detection, which offer a limited room for improvement, given a strong baselines, and the sonnet generation, which demands a strict structural and stylistic adherence, no? And it is subjective to evaluate. The background of this work, it is the application of the direct preference formulation, which is a mathematical equation that enables models to learn directly from data set of preferred and dispreferred responses using a binary cross-entropy loss. No? We evaluated if the DPO training objectives, which we see here, applied to paraphrase detection and sonnet generation, increases the likelihood of preferred outputs, no, while decreasing the likelihood of dispreferred ones, while maintaining, of course, the training stability through the beta parameter defined in this DPO equation. The methods used in this work are organized in two phases. The first is the creation of the baseline, and the second is the application of the DPO. The creation of the baseline contains the full parameter fine-tuning for paragraph detection and the causal language modeling fine-tuning for sonnets. No, in the application of the direct preference optimization, as a first step is the dataset creation through Gemini acting as high capacity teacher model to generate preferred and dispreferred labels. Then the application of the model, no, the model optimization is the fine tuning of the initial supervised fine tuning policy model, minimizing the loss function and then keeping track of the fine tuning model as a reference model to prevent drifting. The DPO experiments for both tasks has similar input, choosing and reject paraphrase pair and choosing and reject sonnets. No? In terms of output, in terms of results, the paraphrase detection obtains 1% more, and the sonnet generation, the CHRF metrics slightly decreased in the test set, but it is not the case, and we will analyze in the qualitative analysis. In terms of qualitative analysis, the sonnet generation, produced after DPO produces a better model, better results. For example, the 14 lines structure, the rhyme scheme, the semantic coherence are better. The paragraph identification task obtained some ambiguity in the labels that makes also for human annotators difficult to identify paraphrase. Considering also the strong baseline, the performance it is not actually high in this task. As a conclusion, we will indicate that the DPO brings value, measurable and observable to the creative task and the marginal gains in the discriminative classification. Also, the sonnet generation exposes a critical gap between the metrics and actually the genuine stylistic quality in text generation. Some limitation is the preference data set was created by Gemini as a single teacher model, introducing potential bias. In this way, we cover the principal aspect of my project. Thank you.